Alright, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. So today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the SZC F9-5 Bluetooth truly wireless earbuds. Alright, so today what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration followed by two audio tests. One audio test is going to be a leakage test, so y'all can get an idea of the type of leakage that comes off of the earbuds while they're in use. And then the other audio test is going to be an audio demonstration. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. Now, as you can see, I already have the earbuds connected up to my S6 Active right here, and I've already set the volume to 100%. So we're ready to go in terms of the audio test. That being said, before we get started, I just want to provide for y'all a really nice close-up of the earbuds so y'all know just how good they look. So if you would please direct your attention to the B-roll that you would now see on screen, you can see you got a really nice close-up of the earbuds. And I gotta say, in terms of the size, these earbuds are quite petite, quite tiny. So very, very small and compact size, and I'm sure if y'all looking at the video right now, y'all can't even tell that I have them in my ears. Really, really good stuff there. Alright, now let's get into the fitting demonstration. So as y'all can see, they're already in my ears, but if I turn to the right now, you can see this is the right earbud right here. Okay, check it out, check it out. And I have the stock tips installed, so it came with the large tips, and I just left the large tips on because that to me provided the best fit. Okay, so here's the right, and then here is the left right here, as you can see. All right, so good stuff there. Let me show you again. Here's the left, bam bam, thank you ma'am, and here's the right. Okay, really good stuff. And in terms of the fit, I would have to say it is a really nice fit. And with the earbuds in my ears, I get really nice sound cancellation. So I could barely hear myself talk right now with the music turned off or not going. And once I turn the music on, I can't really hear any of my surroundings. So this is really good if you want to drown out your surroundings and immerse yourself in whatever you're trying to listen to or binge watch. All right, now before we get into the audio test, I just want to let y'all know that recording the audio here today, I am using my clip-on microphone to record the audio. So when I give y'all a sound sample, I will be holding it up to this microphone right here that y'all see in the secondary camera. All right, good stuff there. That being said, let's go ahead and start the test, and let's get into the first audio test, which is a leakage test. Alright, once again, this is set to max volume, 100%, and these earbuds do have touch controls, so one tap for play and pause. Let's get this test started. I'm going to be quiet now. Here we go. Music is playing. Let's let that beat drop. Ooh! Mm-hmm. Okay, let's stop it right there. Whoo, man, look, listen. Woo, SZC, okay. Woo, man, in terms of the sound quality, these bad boys sound great, okay? In terms of the separation between the instruments, really great job. I could hear the drums, I could hear the cymbals, I could hear the bass hitting. The bass itself is really nice and deep, and adds another level of depth to the music. Really good bass on this, man. SZC, you guys did a great job with this, man. In terms of the volume, as I said, really good volume on this. Really good stuff, man. And when you think about the price that these earbuds are available for, the heavy hitters gotta step up their game, man. Yes, yes, yes. Anyways, that was the first test. That was the leakage test. Let me know down below in the comments if y'all heard any leakage coming off of the earbuds. Now, for reference, the mic is less than a foot away, so you should be able to pick up all of the minute sounds and minute movements. And I do apologize if you hear the AC running in the background. With the humidity today, it's 104 out, so it's pretty hot, so the AC gonna be pumping. But anyway, let's move on to the last audio test. Let's move on to the audio sample. So let me rewind the track here. This way y'all can hear the music from the beginning. Now, these are pretty small and they do have touch controls, so it's going to be a little bit difficult for me to do this. This is one of the things that I don't like about these earbuds, is the actual size of it. But we're going to do it. We're going to try our best nevertheless. So here we go. Let's pop them out. Alright, and now that they're popped out, let's go ahead and hold them up to the mic and push play. And hopefully y'all are getting some sample of the audio. And we'll do this for a minute starting now. Okay, real quick audio sample there. Let's stop the music. Alright, and that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for this one. Okay, so this has been my fit and sound test of, once again, the SZC Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. In particular, this has been the fit and sound demo of the SZC F9-5.0 Truly Wireless Earbuds. So y'all let me know what y'all think of these. How do you feel these performed in the 2 audio tests? What do y'all think of the overall fit? Let me know your feedback down below in the comments. Let's get into a nice, respectful conversation about these earbuds. And as always, keep it respectful, please. That being said, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and I hope everyone is having a great day, and I hope y'all are staying safe out there. And I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.